Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about, Wix versus WordPress. Both are popular website building platforms, but they cater to different needs and come with their own set of pros and cons. In this video, we'll compare the two to help you decide which one is better suited for your specific needs. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Wix. Wix is known for its friendly user drag-and-drop interface. It's incredibly easy to use, making it a great choice for beginners or those without coding experience. With Wix, you can get everything under one roof: hosting, templates, and even domain name if you choose. The pros of Wix include a wide range of professionally designed templates that you can customize to match your brand's look and feel. Plus, it's all-in-one solution, so you don't have to worry about managing different aspects separately. User-friendly interface, perfect for beginners. All-in-one solution with one hosting included. Wide variety of templates to choose from. App market for additional features and functionalities. Regular updates and maintenance by Wix. However, there are some cons to consider. Wix flexibility is somewhat limited compared to more advanced platforms, and once you choose a template, changing it can be a bit challenging. Additionally, while Wix offers design freedom, it can sometimes lead to an inconsistency in the overall site design layout. Here are some things you could consider before using it to create a website. Limited customization. While Wix provides a drag-and-drop interface for building website, this ease of use can also limit the extent of customization. Advanced users, or those with specific design requirement, might find Wix customization option to be somewhat restrictive. Scalability. Wix website can sometimes face limitation when it comes to scalability. As your website grows and require more complex features or handling higher levels of traffic, you might find Wix infrastructure isn't as robust as some other platforms. This could potentially lead to performance issues. Ads and branding. Wix free plan includes Wix branded ads on your website. To remove these ads and have more control over your branding, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. This can be a disadvantage if you want a more professional and polished look without third-party branding. Long-term costs. While Wix offers a free plan, many of its advanced features and tools require a subscription. Over time, these costs can add up. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option in the long run, you might need to consider the expenses associated with maintaining a Wix subscription. And lastly, data portability. If you decide to move your website away from Wix to a different platform, you might encounter difficulties with data portability. Wix uses its own proprietary technology, which can make it challenging to migrate your website's design and content to another platform. Now let's move on to WordPress. WordPress is a versatile platform that powers a large portion of the internet. It offers two options: WordPress.com, which is hosted by WordPress itself, and WordPress.org, where you self-host your website. The pros of WordPress includes complete control over your website's design and functionality. With thousands of themes and plugins available, you can truly create a unique website. Plus, the open source nature of WordPress means there's a vast community of developers constantly improving and expanding the platform. High level of customization and control. Huge library of themes and plugins. Can handle complex and large-scale websites. Search engine friendly and highly customizable. Active community for support and development. On the flip side, WordPress has a steeper learning curve, especially if you're not familiar with website building or coding. You're responsible for managing, hosting, and domain registration, which can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. Also, due to the variety of plugins and themes, ensuring compatibility and security can be a concern. Speaking of steep learning curve, first we have the learning curve. While WordPress is known for its user-friendliness, there can still be a learning curve for beginners who are not familiar with website management or content management system. Setting up and customizing your website might require some time and effort. Maintenance and updates. WordPress website require regular update for both the core software and plugins/themes. Failing to keep your website updated can lead to security vulnerabilities and compatibility issues. This regular maintenance can be time-consuming, especially if you're not familiar with managing websites. Bloat. Over time, as you add more plugins and features, your WordPress installation can be more bloated. This can impact your website's performance and make it harder to manage and maintain. Performance and speed. Depending on theme and plugin you use, WordPress website can sometimes suffer from performance issues and slow loading time. Optimizing your website for speed might require additional effort and technical knowledge. Lastly, we have cost. While WordPress itself is free, creating a feature-rich and professional website often involves purchasing premium themes, plugins, and possibly hiring developers for customizations. These costs can add up, especially if you're aiming for a highly customized website. Here are some key differences between Wix and WordPress based on the results. Wix is a what you see, what you get website builder, so you can drag and drop paragraphs, pictures, slideshow, shopping cart buttons, and more anywhere on your web page. WordPress is far superior to Wix as a publishing platform for any kind of website. Wix is best for beginners, while WordPress is more technically challenging. With Wix, you pay a monthly fee that encompasses both your website and hosting. WordPress.org is free, but you have to pay a hosting company to host your website. In summary, Wix is an all-in-one website builder that is easy to use and best for beginners, while WordPress is a more powerful and flexible platform that requires more technical expertise but offers more control over your website. Wix offers a limited selection of apps, while WordPress offers a wide range of plugins. Wix charges a monthly fee that includes hosting, while WordPress.org is free but requires you to pay for hosting. So, which one is better? It really depends on your needs. If you're looking for a user-friendly, all-in-one with less complexity, Wix might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you're willing to invest time in learning and want to complete customization and control, WordPress could be the way to go. Ultimately, both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses. I hope this comparison helped you make a more informed decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.